Oh, they're
Good
a
on.
happy flower.
Aren't they? Costa would love that, wouldn't he?
Costa who?
Costa Georgianus, the Gardening Australia man.
Oh, wouldn't he?
You know, and Alan Shield
House
and Peter Kundal.
Yeah, they'd all love it.
They'd love it.
Hey, speaking of things outside, we were talking earlier about how you hang your washing on the line, and it seems this is a hot topic for people. Emma has said that she hangs her washing inside out to stop it fading. Good idea.
Good idea, Emma. Particularly as your jeans are getting older, you don't want them to fade any quicker.
No, and this one, I like this one, Andrew, from Patricia.
Oh, yeah.
That's you, Andrew.
My mother was a domestic science teacher in the UK in the 20s through to the 40s. Didn't even know they had science in the 20s. Anyway, she taught everything was hung the way it was worn,
All right.
except socks.
Yeah, what's
And
in
you
the toe?
hang those-
Toe down.
Oh, toe down.
Toe
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
sorry.
But
yeah.
I don't agree with that with the top still, because you get the peg marks.
On the shoulders, yeah. Well, in those
the
days, it
tops are
was
tricky.
you had people wore epaulets a lot.
But maybe
So,
they don't wear
it's
pegs like this lady, or use pegs, I should say. Renee, our washing dries under the veranda, and we've discovered that apart from windy days, the answer is no pegs. Arrange stuff over the line, turn over when half dry.
Gee, that's good.
Yeah, that's where the
That's a
spiders
good
are,
idea.
under the veranda. Libby says, pair your socks up. Happy birthday, Quinn, 13. Look out. Lucky you.
Have a lovely
Birthday,
day.
Quinn.
Bye.
Happy
No
New Year.
peg
Chinese
marks.
New Year.
Use old stockings
Oh,
so
that's
there's no peg marks.